Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be doing a layout in my son's notebook. I am going to be documenting this picture I took of him. So I've said this before, but in case you're new and you don't know, one of my son's jobs or duties is to take care of Cholo, take him out, take him down to the corner and back, and that's what he was doing when I snapped this picture of them literally just laying in the backyard, being playful. And I thought it was so adorable because they're my kids. Well, he's my kid and he's my pet, and just love them both, you know what I mean? And I love to see my kids inherit the love for animals and the respect for them. So anyway, so I'm gonna do a quick flip through of some of the layouts you guys have already seen. Again, some of them I've shared, some of them I worked offline, like by myself on my distressing days. This one here. I ended up changing this one a little bit. So if you guys remember, I used to have tags poking out through here, but I feel like I should have used white tags, but instead of white, I had like let me see if I could show you. I had like this style of tags, these ones right here in this color, and I felt like, honestly, like it didn't go. So I had them sticking out like that, 3 of them. So this, I removed it. It's still a work in progress. I'm gonna redo it. I don't know if I wanna add the tags or just one single tag. But I also like it how it is, so I don't know. So this is the new change. And then you guys have seen this one. And this one, you did not see. This is just a different pose of the wrestling portrait for last year. And I am waiting. I actually ordered a few of like wrestling stickers from scrapbook.com. So I'm waiting for them to arrive so I could fill the pockets in here with a little bit of decoration. So this is just a pocket page from Simple Stories. I did have to end up cutting my own holes so that it fits the size of the notebook, but in here I just have a few small pictures of him on the mat, and then of course the ticket that we have to pay to get in, and then success is a series of small wins, just something positive in there. And then here's a picture of all the kids in the wrestling team doing their little motivational talk before they start. Another ticket, because usually me and Adriana are the ones that have to pay. Michael is an assistant coach, so he gets in for free. So I just needed a place for the tickets basically. And so these are gonna be filled with like wrestling images or whatnot. So I was thinking that I'm gonna put this picture in here and make it like a single page separator, because here I have just a pictures of him at the range, at the shooting range, and then this one, of course, doesn't go at all with the book, right? Because he's like a boy and this is like very girly. So you guys, I've told you this before, I'm just gonna end up taking one of the sheets from the citrus twist paper kits that they sent, and more than likely I'll just end up by the way, this one is still freaking gorgeous. I want to hoard it. I don't even want to use it. But I've told you this before, if there's like a paper that I don't necessarily like for the kit, then I just flip it and then I use it as a blank canvas, and there I can create something for him. So with that being said, I'm going to leave this next layout for something else. I am going to be doing a single page for this picture here, and I don't know, I have no idea what I'm doing. I didn't plan this really, but I feel like I'm going to put it down the center, and then maybe like the title or put it here and then the title come off right here, and that's all I know so far. So I'm gonna, you know the deal, you guys. I'm gonna put you guys on speed mode. I'm gonna pull paper that kind of goes with his theme of like boyish colors, and gather ephemera, cutouts, anything that I could use, and we're gonna build our little single page. So I hope that you guys stay tuned to the end, so that you can see the final layout, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, you guys, I was gonna put you guys on speed mode, but I feel like this layout is not gonna be that hard and not that deep where I need to look, because you guys know, hear me out. You guys know that before I start any project, I always look through my scraps. So I've already pulled my little tray here, and then I also have my little drawer where I keep all my little bigger pieces in here. And I was looking through and I was like, okay, what do I need, right? And I glanced at this right here. These are all my 4x6 that Susan gifted me. And then I have these that come with the citrus twist kit, and they have always something positive to say. You can use it as a journaling space, or you could use the background like a page divider or something like that. And I saw this one, and it says live for the moments you can't put into words. And I thought that, yes, it's a super bright blue, but I feel like this is the layout right here. So completely went in a total different direction because I wanted to put it in the middle, but I feel like I could slide the picture right here. And because of what it says, I feel like it went super perfect, and then I can still write the date and maybe a quote or something down there. And then I was like, well, I should feel like I need something on the side. So I was looking for black polka dots, because you know this is all my scraps right here, and I was looking for black like polka dots that maybe I could kind of tuck and break the two pages, like make it a little bit more like add more black so that the blue doesn't like dominate everything. But I didn't have anything that would be long enough, and I don't think the gray works. And so I feel like, honestly, this is the look, like this is the layout. So I'm just sorting through here. I mean, I guess I don't have any more black dots, but I was looking to see, because I know that I had scraps from the Felicity Jane, and they have, most of their kids are, they always add like black dots to them. So I feel like I had some, and then I have a bunch of these stripes. So I don't know if I should add those or like the excess. But I was really hoping I could find dots, you guys, but I don't. And I honestly, I'm going to tell you the truth, I don't want to go cut into a 12x12 page just to get black dots. Because one, I want to use what I have, or I want to use up my scraps. So unless I use these, I feel like I'm going to have to... I'm gonna have to use the stripe one, which is okay. I mean, it wasn't my ideal plan, but it's okay. And that's gonna be the layouts, I feel like. We can add a label, a black label also, and then the rest of it is gonna be adding accents or decorations. So let me start working with this, and then honestly, this is how simple this layout is going to be. So let me take the page so I can work with it freely without having it on the binder. And let me roll my little card this way so I could reach into everything that I need. And the first thing I'm going to do is determine how much or how thick I want it to stick out. So we'll put that there. Let me take my double-sided tape and make sure I align everything, of course. And then I have enough space. Well, let's not waste that much paper. So give me a second. I'm going to cut this so that it's easier for me to tuck in. You can see how straight I cut, right? Okay, and then we're going to put it like that. Oops. Let me make sure that's straight. Okay, and then we're going to trim our picture. I have to go look for black labels. I know I have some. I just gotta go find it. And I'm gonna make these border kind of straight because I did a horrible job when I was cutting the picture next to it. So we're gonna put it here. And we are going to add reinforcers. You guys know that I like doing this to my pages for protection. You can use your inks to color them if you don't like them, but since this is white on white, it's perfect. And finish this. How easy was this layout? Super easy for me. My goodness, I can't believe it came out. But I really wanted to use this. I felt like the sentiment or the quote of this strip came in handy. Wait, but now I'm thinking, should I move them a little bit over? Yeah, I think that's much better. Okay, like that. Okay, and now the rest of this layout, you guys, it's literally gonna be decorating. So I know that I want a black label to come out right here. Maybe enamel dots black to kind of balance it, or you could use the whole space right here to put like a title, maybe like friends or something like that. So I am gonna go gather the rest of the stuff because I still haven't pulled anything out, and then I'll go come show you guys the final look. So guys, lesson learned right here. Okay guys, so wow, you have a mistake right here, and look how a mistake can completely turn the layout around, because I just made that error work for me instead of like starting over and canceling the whole project. And I don't know what causes the paper to do this, but in this instance, I'm kind of happy it worked the way it did. Because honestly, this is like, I know I'm shaking everything, but this is like distressing it almost a little bit. So I kind of love that idea. It takes a little bit of the blue away. So anyways, you guys, this is the simple layout. I'm just going to date it, which this was May. I don't remember the exact date, but we're just gonna go with May 2020. And that is going to complete our layout. What a simple layout. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to add that back in here, and we are going to call it a day. How cute is that layout? I mean, it doesn't go with this, so please don't look at it as a, you know, 2 pages. But you know what I could do is kind of add a tab. No more. Changing my mind too many times. We're just gonna leave it as it is. I just really like the way it turned out. How easy was that? I'm gonna rip it a little bit here, but that is the layout, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.